Ayun na nga mga ma'am sir, welcome back to my channel. On today's vlog, lilibutin natin ang mga stores or merchandise shop dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Alamin natin ano nga ba yung mga exclusive 20th anniversary merch and products na mabibili nyo in celebration of the 20th anniversary ng Hong Kong Disneyland. If there is one suggested or recommended souvenir, ito yun mga ma'am sir, yung souvenir. So this is the shirt that I have been wanting to buy. They also have this, guys. It's like mini luggage. Ayan, lakas maka-remowa. So this is the special box for the Pandora Charm na 20th anniversary Mickey. Kaya ako bigla. Ayun na nga mga ma'am sir, welcome back to my channel. On today's vlog, lilibutin natin ang mga stores or merchandise shop dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Alamin natin ano nga ba yung mga exclusive 20th anniversary merch and products na mabibili nyo. So kung gusto nyong malaman guys, ang mga detalye, ang mga presyo, nood lang kayo. Let's go! Let's do this! Nasabi ko dun sa last vlog natin na lilibot nga tayo, gagawa ko ng vlog exclusive para dun sa merchandise shopping for Hong Kong Disneyland's 20th anniversary. Kasi yun nga, the first time na pumunta kami ni Jam dito, hindi ko masyado napakita, especially yung mga presyo. So kung interested kayo malaman ano nga ba yung mga exclusive items and products for the 20th anniversary, nood lang kayo guys. Pagkapasok nyo pa lang ng Hong Kong Disneyland, yung store na pinakamalapit sa entrance, doon na yun guys. As in, makikita nyo na agad yung mga exclusive merchandise for Hong Kong's 20th anniversary, from staff toys hanggang sa mga shirts katulad niyan and all other accessories in celebration of Hong Kong Disneyland's 20th anniversary. Isa-isahin na natin yan guys. So ito, yung 20th anniversary button down nila. Ayan, this one is 389 Hong Kong dollars. Ayan, maraming nakasuot ng ganito dito. So, be prepared kung meron kayong makakapareha nyo. Ito naman is 229 Hong Kong dollars. Ayan, Mickey and Friends with the Castle of Magical Dreams. Then, meron din pala yung pang kids din. Ayan, ito si Mickey lang naman. Yung design. Yung pang kids, 209 Hong Kong dollars naman. Around the park, meron yung mga ganitong setup or design sa mga mirror. Ayan, Mickey, Minnie, Donald, and Daisy. I think marami pa yan. Meron ding Chip and Dale pala. Ayan, this one is 99 Hong Kong dollars per box. So, blind box yan. Ah, magnet pala siya. Magnet yung laman. Okay. Magnet pala yung mga yan. They also have bag charm set of 11. Ayan, ganito yung itsura niya guys. Yan yung names. Ayan, ang name tag ni Mickey and Minnie and Friends. 299 Hong Kong dollars. So yan, ito yung laman niya. Bag charm, tapos yan, mga name tag nila. Mickey, Minnie, tapos Chip and Dale, Goofy, Duffy. Really cute. So meron din sila rito mga biscuits, 169 Hong Kong dollars. Nasa tin can siya. Lalagay ko na lang yung mga conversion. Then, meron din silang chocolate crispies over here. Ito naman, nasa box lang siya. Ayan, this is 129 Hong Kong dollars naman. Assorted hard candies over here, $139. Ito ilalagyan. Pwede na maging pouch or coin purse na rin, if ever. Diba? There's this Godiva chocolate. Isang set na 199 Hong Kong dollars naman to. This glowing necklace. Ito naman is 119 Hong Kong dollars naman to. So yan, pwede nyong isuot while watching Momentos, diba? They also have playing cards over here. Ayan, 79 Hong Kong dollars naman to. So if nagko-collect kayo ng playing cards, this is really a good idea as well. Ito na-feature ko na last time, the first time we went here, yung Monopoly set nila. This is 599 Hong Kong dollars. So if interested kayo, ganito yung loob niya or yung laman niya. Ito rin guys, maganda, yung 1,000 piece puzzle nila. Ayan, this is 199 Hong Kong dollars. Maganda rin to. So here's another collectible, guys. $39 per pack. napakita ko na rin to. So ito yung mga float nila dun sa parade, yung Fantastic Parade. Ayan, ang ganda ng mga cards, oh. Diba, lakas mga Pokemon cards yan. So ayan, kung gusto niyo mangolekta, meron sila rito, 39, 3 cards yung laman ng isang pack. So exclusive merchandise and maximum of 5 units per item per transaction lang. Then there's this keychain, yung float ni Mickey and Friends, super cute. This keychain, 20th anniversary keychain is $109. Really nice din to. Then they also have this card holder featuring yung mga characters dun sa Fantastic Parade. Ayan, for the card holder naman, this is 99 Hong Kong dollars as well. Here's another souvenir na pwede ninyong bilhin, guys. Postcard, $29 lang to. And then yan, complimentary mailing service sa City Hall. So, walang bayad, pwede nyong sulatan and ipadala nyo sa sarili ninyo. They also have this Mickey and Friends float magnet, 59 Hong Kong dollars naman. Also nice. Medyo malaki lang siya. Shirt for the kids. Again, inspired by the Fantastic Float, 209 Hong Kong dollars naman to. Isipin nyo na lang nanonood kayo ng, online shopping, online selling, live selling, ganyan. Or shopping, kayong bahala. Gusto nyo lang maging background music tong boses natin habang sinasabi ko sa inyo kung magkano yung mga presyo ng mga items. Goods yan. Manood lang kayo. So this is a new item as well, new shirt. Good thing meron ng Zootopia dito, no? I mean, featured na nila yung Zootopia. Ayan, merong black and meron ding white. Tapos may big donut, the big donut na, ano lang dito, na print din sa side. So for this one, ang price niya is 259 Hong Kong dollars. So, for the plushies, ito yung mga Hong Kong Disneyland 20th anniversary costumes sila. 239 Hong Kong dollars each. Ayan, meron si Minnie, there's Goofy, tapos Daisy Duck as well, nandito din. Ayan, kung favorite nyo siya, $239 yan. I'm looking for Mickey Mouse. Ito pala si Mickey Mouse. Then, they also have Duffy over here. Same price lang naman sila lahat. Sobrang sold out na yata iba. Ito sila, Olumel na lang nandito. So they have customizable hats over here. Pwede nyo palagay yung name nyo dyan sa, sa mga cap. So kung trip nyo yan, ganito siya guys. $189. Then for the headband, ito yung mga nila. Ito, yung hat ni Mickey to. So $189 din to. Iba-iba. Meron yung kay Mickey, meron yung for Minnie. Ayan. Ayan yung mga designs nila, guys. So, for the bag, charms, and plushies, meron din sila rito, 169 Hong Kong dollars. This one is Minnie. Ayan, where's Mickey? Ubus na si Mickey Mouse. Ayan, there's Donald Duck. And then, there's Chip and Dale. And si Pluto. Again, 169 Hong Kong dollars to mga to. So there's another set of cards here, 39 per pack. Ibang designs naman to. So ito, Mickey and Friends naman. Again, 3 pieces per pack meron dito. So if you want to collect, pwede rin yan. There's also a stamp collection, $199 each. So kung mahilig kayo sa mga stamps, nagko-collect kayo, pwede rin to. Really nice. If there is one suggested or recommended souvenir for 20th anniversary, ito yun mga ma'am sir. Yung souvenir, kasama na siya kapag bumili kayo ng ticket, meron na complimentary na isang souvenir. Basta check nyo lang din sa Klook. Kapag doon kayo nag-book, meron sila. Ayan, you can use my promo code JBClook on your Klook, on your Klook bookings, pero hindi siya pwede sa Disneyland. Sa meal voucher pwede daw. Okay? But anyway, ito, sobrang cute ng mga souvenirs guys. Ito yung marirecommend ko talaga. Again, if you have your Disney ticket book sa Klook, make sure na i-redeem nyo to at merong ganitong kasama or redemption. Ayan. But if you want to purchase it here, there's a special price of 99 Hong Kong dollars for 2. So $99, dalawa na. So if you want, meron na kayong chip, tapos meron pang Dale, diba? Ayan, super nice. Pero ang isa is 59 kung isa lang bibili niyo. And you can also have them made as a bouquet, guys. 764 Hong Kong dollars. If you're interested, you can approach any cast member for this. Pero nagkakaubusan na actually. Pero feeling ko naman magre-restock pa sila. Ayan. Especially yung mga Duffy and Friends characters. Yan yung madaling maubos. So they also have the long sleeve shirt. 20th anniversary Hong Kong Disneyland. This is the design. Then sa likod. Really nice. As you can see. Ayan. And for the price, this one is 569 Hong Kong dollars. So meron din palang Duffy and Friends na long sleeve shirt. Ayan, yun yung design niya naman sa likod. And ito yung color niya. So pwedeng his and hers, di ba? Same price lang din yata. Ayan, 569 Hong Kong dollars din to. For the shoulder plush, 139 Hong Kong dollars naman. Ayan, kompleto rin. Marami ring mga characters dito. So Donald, and then there's Mickey Mouse as well. So ito, may postcard ulit dito, 29 Hong Kong dollars. Tapos, ito yung ref magnet nila. Actually, frame pala to. Picture frame. 99 Hong Kong dollars, 20th anniversary. And then, there's the ref magnet as well. Ayan, Hong Kong Disneyland. 69 Hong Kong dollars naman to. Then, there's another design over here with Mickey naman. And then, there's a mug. Ayan, ang ganda nito. Gold-plated mug, di ba? And then there's Mickey print on the side as well. 159 Hong Kong dollars naman to. They also have cutlery set over here. Spoon and fork with 20th anniversary na mga parang medallion. So this one is $139. Ayan, there's a shot glass set. As well, this one is 149 Hong Kong dollars. Nagko-collect kayo niyan, pwede rin. There's a cute keychain as well for the 20th anniversary. 109 Hong Kong dollars naman to. And then there's another set of keychain here featuring Chip and Dale and this diva over here. Hindi ko siya kilala. Sorry na. And then there's another one naman featuring Mickey, Minnie, and Donald Duck. So this one is 269 Hong Kong dollars. Tapos meron din silang face sticker. Ayan, you can have this worn by your kids dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland. $89 naman ang isang set. So if you are collecting yung mga golden medallion or magical coins dito, you can have them kept on this album. Ayan, this is 129 Hong Kong dollars. Ayan, pwede rin. Kung plan nyo namang pa-autograph sa mga characters dito, like this one. Ayan, so there's a sticker plus autograph book set, which is 99 Hong Kong dollars naman. Kasi nag-stay rin kami sa Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. Ayan, rituals na nga yung amenities doon. And you can buy this reusable luxury travel pouch with rituals na mga amenities. So this is ayan, 299 Hong Kong dollars naman to. Kubango naman sila, in fairness. So ayan, ito yun. Tapos yun yung laman niya, guys. Ayan, pang travel din, di ba? So they have the 20th anniversary scarf. This one is 169 Hong Kong dollars. They also have this little bag over here. It's a shoulder bag featuring Chip and Dale. So this one is 359 Hong Kong dollars naman. So meron din si Minnie Mouse naman. Ayan, may Minnie Mouse na bag charm. It's a handbag pala. Handbag pala siya. Pero pwede rin siya kasing maging crossbody eh. Ayan, 269 Hong Kong dollars naman ito. Ayan, ganyan siya, guys. So they have fancy jewelry as well. Ito mga necklace, $219. Ayan. Meron ding ito, Minnie and Mickey na necklace. Really cute. And meron ding Chip and Dale. 139 Hong Kong dollars naman. Bracelet naman to. Bracelet set. So this is a really nice shirt. $229. So yun, nakalagay Hong Kong Disneyland and then embroidered yung Mickey character dito. Diba? The happiest place on earth since 2005. Sobrang nice to. Ganda rin quality ng yung tela niya mismo. Cardigan. $299 naman. Ayan, meron ding embroidery ng or patch na Hong Kong Disneyland since 2005. They have a magnet pin over here as well. $89 naman to. So you can put notes then, diba? Like kapag nilagay nyo siya sa ref nyo, you can put your notes. Then another design of postcard. So they also have a set of Mickey Mouse keychain here from 2005 to 2025. This one is 329 Hong Kong dollars naman. So okay rin to pang souvenir, di ba? And then they also have a mug, a tumbler here since 2005. Hong Kong Disneyland din yung design. This is 169 Hong Kong dollars. Ayan, kung gusto nyo pamorma guys, meron ding pa-skirt dito or skirt. Ayan, $339 naman to. Another nice souvenir as well is this Hong Kong Disneyland cap. 179 Hong Kong dollars naman. Sa likod, ayan, may mga Mickey characters or Mickey design din na makikita. So this is the shirt that I have been wanting to buy. Ayan. Ang mahal kasi guys, $429. Pero ito talaga yun, yung baseball shirt nila. Ayan, since 2005 Hong Kong Disneyland. Sobrang nice din talaga nito eh. Parang, ito talaga yung multo ko. Q Multo by Cup of Joe. Ganon. Ayan, gusto ko talaga itong bilhin eh. Kaso mahal kasi $429. Diba? Pero sa Hong Kong ko lang kasi siya masosot. I mean, sa Hong Kong Disneyland ko lang siya sosotin eh. Pero pag-isipan natin, di ba? Hindi pa huli ang lahat. Sobrang tempting lang din talagang bumili ng mga stuff, guys. Lalo na yung mga ganitong klaseng limited edition na mga Hong Kong Disneyland merch. Talagang mapapabili ka eh, di ba? So maglaan talaga kayo ng money or maglaan kayo ng budget for this. Kasi for sure may madudukot kayo or yung anak ninyo. So there's also this shirt, 229 Hong Kong dollars. Ito yung binili ni Love na shirt na design, Hong Kong Disneyland. So yan, parang sticker or basta embossed yung ano niya rito, design. And then there's the Castle of Magical Dreams. Tapos sa likod, ayan, meron ding print. Ayan, yung mga rides dito or attractions na makikita. Then there's also a tote bag, Hong Kong Disneyland. Ayan, with the magical, Castle of Magical Dreams na print with Tinkerbell on this side. Really cute. Paying homage dun sa bagong drone show ngayon dito. And then there's a small version. Ayan. Small tote, mini tote. Perfect din siya na pang souvenir. This one is 99 Hong Kong dollars lang. Ayan. Card holder, ID holder pala to. Ayan. So for the card holder, 109 Hong Kong dollars. Luggage belt. Ayan, this one is 179 Hong Kong dollars. Then, meron lang passport holder. Ayan, ito yung design. Really nice. 169 Hong Kong dollars naman to. There's another version of Hong Kong Disneyland tumbler featuring yung Castle of Magical Dreams and, ayan, si Tinkerbell na nandun. So, this is 169 Hong Kong dollars naman. Ganda rin to. So, meron sila mga mini pouch over here. Ayan, with the 20th anniversary charm. So, this is 69 Hong Kong dollars naman. So, ito guys, sa vlog ko na rin to. Yan yung mga figures. 319. Ito yung mga float for the Friendtastic. Sobrang ganda ng quality niya. So, you can see. Ayan, they have the Disney Princess, Elsa and si Anna. Then, there's Duffy and Friends. Tapos, si Mickey and si Minnie. And si Donald Duck. And then there's a cute figurine din, featuring din yung other characters. Really nice din. Medyo animated lang yung mga to. And it's much cheaper, 159 Hong Kong dollars. So ayan, mga blind box din to guys. Ayan, $159. So I think, di ko lang sure kung pwede kayong bumili ng isang box para makompleto nyo siya. Pero medyo mahal siya, 159 Hong Kong dollars to. And then, ito naman yung isang figurine pa na mas maganda yung quality. And mas malaki, 319 Hong Kong dollars. Ito guys, bago ko lang ito nakita. Yung alien with churro. Ito, 169 Hong Kong dollars. Super cute. Ayun, no? plushies like this. 299 Hong Kong dollars. Madaling maubos talaga yung mga Duffy and Friends na ganyan, guys. Okay, and then meron din silang payong. Kasama na ba yun? Okay, may kasama ng lalagyan for the 20th anniversary. So, this one is $299 lang din. Ayan. Ayan, isang set na siya eh. May kasamang payong, tapos ito, kung ano man to. Siguro ito yung lalagyan niya. Ayan. So, ito yung Duffy and Friends na bag charm. It's really cute. For this one, 219 Hong Kong dollars. Sobrang cute yung gelatoni. Bag charm as well. Ayan o, sobrang cute din. 149. Ayan, featuring Duffy and Friends din. Kompleto pa sila. Wala na si Lina Bell. Ubus na. So, ito yung tinignan ni Love before. Yung handbag na to. Shoulder bag pala. Ayan, $289. Tapos merong charm. Like this one. Ayan. Si Cookie Ann. And then, there's the Lina Bell shirt. Iba-iba, Duffy and Friends shirt. For the kids. $229. Yeah. Grabe guys, sobrang daming stuff. Talagang malulula ka rin. Isang area pa lang yung nasuyod natin, pero overwhelming na. And then, tawid na tayo dito banda. Mas maraming tao rito. Ang daming tao. Kumpulan na dito. So yan, ang daming stuff guys. Sobrang dami. And yung iba rito naman, umulit lang din. Yung iba meron na dati. Meron na before. So usually, yung mga nandun sa side na yon yung mga bago. Ayan, ito yung mga items dito. Ano ba yung mga bagong nakita natin so far? Ayan, mga Barbie dolls. Ano pa ba? Ito, bago to guys. Tignan nyo. Yung hammer ni Thor. Ayan o, ano siya? Ayan, malambot to. Parang balloon or salbabida. Ayan, pero solid yung hawakan. Yung ganito naman. 219. So, if fan kayo ni Thor, meron pa ganito rito. Ito bago to. Ngayon ko lang nakita. Malambot yung hawakan nito. Ayan. Diba ito yung galing kay Groot? Diba? Nice. So, yan. Meron yung Mjolnir and yung Stormbreaker. Really nice. If you're a fan of Stitch, meron din siya rito. Ito siya. Blind box din. Ano ba to? Keychain din? Ayan. Keycaps. Okay. Ayan o. Sa mga keyboard. Diba? Kano to? $89. Ayan o, keycaps. Pwede nyo i-substitute dun sa keyboard din nyo. Ayan, mga Stitch logos. Tapos meron lang siya lalagyan. Cute to, cute. So, meron din sila nito. Tumbler. This is 89 Hong Kong dollars. They also have a towel set. $189 din to. Meron din silang Duffy and Friends na ano ba to? Hard candy na nasa tin can. Ayan. Really nice. So, this is 69 Hong Kong dollars. Mga candies. From Kiwa Bakery naman to. Ayan. This is 149. Pineapple shortcake. Tapos, meron din yung nasa box. Ito naman siya. This is $89 din. Ito naman, mini walnut cookies. They also have a box of palmiers. Ayan yung basa eh. Palmiers ba yan? Basta 279 siya. Ayan. Medyo mabigat Pero yan, from Kiwa Bakery din yan. Tapos meron din yung egg rolls. Ayan, na nasa tin can din. 149 Hong Kong dollars naman. Ayan. A combination pala siya. May pineapple shortcake, coconut egg rolls, and mini walnut cookies. They also have this, guys. It's like mini luggage. Ayan, lakas makarimowa. Pero yung laman niya is candies din. Ito, 179 Hong Kong dollars. Ayan, Disney luggage gift box. Lakas mga hand carry item, di ba? So, there's also this cool, like, soda can. Ayan, na may kasama, ano to, candies? Chocolate cookies. Ayan. 79 Hong Kong dollars naman to. Ang cool, di ba? Yung soda can. Merong Chip and Dale and ayan, Goofy. Tapos ito, meron ding Mickey and Minnie. Really nice. 79 Hong Kong dollar. Ito, bago to guys. Assorted Godiva chocolates. Ayan, Neapolitan chocolates. So, hindi pa Godiva nga ba to? Hindi pala siya Godiva. Ayan, bago to. Kala ko Godiva, hindi. Parang in-house. 139 Hong Kong dollars. So, iba-iba. Merong Mickey and Minnie. Tapos, merong Duffy and Friends. Ayan. Tapos, meron ding Frozen. Tapos, meron ding Toy Story. Ito. Chocolate milk and dark chocolate. $139. Really nice. Ayan guys, kung nakikita nyo, yun na yung ano nila. Ay, laki ng Stitch. Bumili siya ng Stitch na malaki. But anyway, yun na yung bag guys, yung mga shopping bag for the 20th anniversary. Ayan yung large. Or yung medium pala is $22. Tapos yung small is $20. Ayan guys, comment below kung meron na kayong nagustuhan or trip bilhin so far dun sa mga napakita natin dito na items, no? Ako, yun talaga yung shirt. Yung baseball shirt talaga yung minumulto ako. Pero, tingin pa tayo. Tingnan natin. So, here's another must-buy item dito, guys. The Magic Passport nila. So, on my previous vlog, nagawa na natin to, nakompleto na natin yung challenge. So, they also have new sets of socks over here featuring Duffy and Friends. Gelatoni, sobrang cute. This is 139 Hong Kong dollars. Ang isang pair. Ayan. And then, meron ding from Frozen. And then ito, yung Dumbo, Flying Elephant. So yan, paying homage dun sa bagong ano nila guys. Filler Magic na show. Ito yun, si Donald Duck. Ayan, kung napanood nyo na yan, familiar kayo dyan. Ayan, this is nice. This is 189 Hong Kong dollars. Tapos, meron ding pouch. Featuring si King Donald. Ayan. For this one, it's 129 Hong Kong dollars. Tote bag. Ito maganda to. Donald Duck na tote bag. It's really nice. This is 199 Hong Kong dollars naman. So, hinahanap ko yung tote bag na nabili ni Love eh. Yung kapag naka 200 Hong Kong dollars ka worth of items dito sa Disneyland, 159 na lang siya. Pero parang sold out na yata. Ang bilis maubos nun kasi maganda nga yung design. Ayun, isa yun sa marirecommend ko rin na pwede niyong mabili. Diba kasi kahit sila, sobrang nagandahan siya doon. Ayan mga ma'am sir, if you are interested on this super big Stitch plush, ayan, tignan nyo gano'n siya kalaki. 1,199. Diba? Ganyan siya kalaki. Aray ko. Ayan, ganyan siya kalaki guys. Super cute. So yun guys, dito sa loob ng Disneyland, so ito yung 20th anniversary Starbucks exclusive. Ayan, design na tumbler, $299. Then ayan, may zipper na or straw na 20th anniversary. So for the Pandora charm guys, so they have this Mickey custom charm. Ayan, featuring yung costume ni Mickey. So ito na exclusive nila for the 20th anniversary. How much is this one? 849. Okay.
And have the special box.
The special box is... Dun, 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 dun. Oh, the 20th anniversary box. Okay. Wow, that's nice. Okay, so this is the special box for the Pandora charm na 20th anniversary Mickey. Ayan. So, if you are collecting Pandora charm, so ito yung pwede nyong kunin or bilhin dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland for their 20th anniversary. Ah, the 2025. Okay. So, here's another one, mga ma'am, sir. So, as you can see, may 2025 na nakalagay, which is the anniversary or the 20th anniversary of Hong Kong Disneyland. And yan. Kung nag-iipon din kayo ng charm from Pandora, this is also nice. How about this one? What's the price of this? $799. Okay. So yung mga ma'am sir, dito ko na i-end ang ating Hong Kong Disneyland 20th Anniversary shopping vlog nyo. Kasama ko si Gelatoni ngayon. And si Slinky over here. And yun nga, sana na nagustuhan nyo yung vlog natin for today. Kung nagustuhan nyo, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. This video, hirap na sitwasyon ko. This has been JB Domingo with Gelatoni. Stay safe, God bless, and adios. Bye guys!